Good morning again. Another beautiful day at the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge. We're not in the Arboretum this morning. We're going to look around the visitor center and the parking lots, which were all landscaped about 25 years ago and did a beautiful job of landscaping. First plant to look at is one that comes from a little higher elevation. It's called Cliffrose. It's enormously drought resistant, and it's really popular with the honeybees and all the solitary bees that live here in the desert. The purple flowers are the desert 4 o'clock. They've been planted here around the visitor center, and they just take off. Once they get started, they're a perennial. They come back year after year. Typically they only bloom in the morning and then the flowers close up. I guess that's why they're called 4 o'clock. Most people know this plant as Beargrass. Its botanical name is Nolina. This happens to be Nolina Texana. That is the beginning of the inflorescence. We can't call that a flower because each little bit on there is a separate little flower. The folks here at the refuge built several of these little boxes with holes drilled in them. They are for bees, probably specifically bumblebees, but almost any bee will live inside. The little holes prevent mice from getting inside to eat the honey and the larvae. This is called Fendler Bush. It's another shrub of the arroyos and the slightly higher elevation found up in the canyons, both east and west of the refuge. This is Apache Plume. The nice thing about Apache Plume is it blooms all summer long. It just keeps producing flowers almost up until frost. Very good plant for pollinators, for bees, butterflies. Last one we'll look at today is the New Mexico Locust. You can see bits of it over to the right on this plant was touched by frost a few days ago. The part on the left is undamaged. These leaves will die and they'll sprout new leaves.